Title: 10 Legitimate Ways to Earn Money Online. Description: Are you looking to make some extra income or even replace your traditional job with online opportunities? In this video, we'll explore 10 legitimate ways to earn money online. From freelancing and online marketplaces to digital entrepreneurship and passive income streams, we'll cover a range of options suitable for different skills and interests. Get ready to discover the exciting world of online earning and unlock your potential for financial success. Outline: Introduction to online earning opportunities. Overview of the vast possibilities and benefits of making money online. Setting realistic expectations and understanding the commitment required. Freelancing and remote work. Exploring popular freelancing platforms, for example, Upwork, Fiverr, to offer your skills. Identifying in-demand services and creating a compelling profile. Tips for securing clients and building a successful freelancing career. Online marketplaces. Utilizing online marketplaces, for example, Amazon, eBay, to sell physical products. Strategies for sourcing or creating products, optimizing listings, and managing sales. Exploring niche market opportunities and dropshipping models. Digital entrepreneurship. Creating and selling digital products, ebooks, courses, templates, etc. Establishing an online store or platform for digital downloads. Leveraging social media and content marketing to promote your offerings. Affiliate marketing. Explaining the concept of affiliate marketing and how it works. Finding affiliate programs and products relevant to your audience. Implementing effective promotional strategies and optimizing conversions. Content creation. Building a following on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Monetizing through ad revenue, brand partnerships, sponsorships, and merchandise. Strategies for creating high-quality, engaging content and growing your audience. Online tutoring and teaching. Offering your expertise as an online tutor or instructor. Exploring platforms for teaching languages, academic subjects, or specialized skills. Establishing credibility and attracting students through testimonials and reviews. Stock photography and videos. Capitalizing on your photography or videography skills by selling stock content. Understanding licensing agreements, copyright, and usage rights. Submitting your work to reputable stock marketplaces. Virtual assistant services. Providing administrative, organizational, or creative support remotely. Identifying tasks or niches in high demand, social media management, content writing, etc. Building relationships with clients and expanding your virtual assistant business. Passive income streams. Exploring passive income opportunities such as affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and royalties. Creating and monetizing a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel. Investing in dividend stocks, real estate crowdfunding, or peer-to-peer lending. Conclusion and next steps. Recap of the 10 legitimate ways to earn money online. Encouragement to choose an approach that aligns with your skills and interests. Reminding viewers that online earning requires effort, persistence, and continuous learning. Remember, while online earning presents exciting opportunities, it's important to approach them with caution. Research each method, establish realistic expectations, and be prepared to invest time and effort into building your online income streams. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve financial success in the digital realm.